Today I'm going to show you an easy ketchup egg noodles recipe. We start by marinating 1 minced chicken thigh with 1 tablespoon each of oyster sauce, rice wine, cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of water. We also need 1 packet of egg noodles, half a chopped onion, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 piece of fish cake, and a packet of Thai sing, which is not shown here. Boil the fish cake for 2 minutes. Slice the fish cake. In a pot of boiling water, add a teaspoon of salt and sugar. Blanch Thai sing for about 2 minutes. Drain and set aside. Saute onion and garlic for about 2 minutes. Add minced chicken and fry for about 2 minutes until it is half cooked. Add 1/3 bottle of tomato ketchup. Fry for another minute. Add a bowl of water. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Add salt and sugar to taste. Add some dark soy sauce for color. This completes the sauce. Cook the egg noodles in a pot of boiling water for about 3 minutes. Remove the noodles. Divide into 4 portions. Spoon some sauce on the noodles and mix. Serve with Cai Xing and fish cake. Enjoy!